My dear students of class 5A, welcome to my GK class. Yesterday we remained busy in the school for in collecting your copies, homework, classwork copies, etc. etc. That's why I could not send the video class through online today. The video class I am teaching only for you, so that you must come to know that I am not interested to take rest, but I am always ready to work for you, for your understanding, for giving you knowledge. Now, GK, you see, this subject GK I am today teaching you, this is extra lesson. This lesson is an extra lesson. This lesson is not a part of the syllabus and the part of lesson, because a number of lessons which are there in the book GK are very less. That's why, my dear student, I have decided in course of teaching the lesson as per the book, some extra lessons I shall teach you for your better understanding, better knowledge, because in GK there are so many things we have to learn. We don't know the things we have to learn it. So GK is the subject by which we can gain knowledge. Today, here it is written Uttar Pradesh. What is Uttar Pradesh? You know, my dear students, Uttar Pradesh is a state of India, one of the largest states of India, Uttar Pradesh. What is the capital of it? Do you know? The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. And what is the main language of Uttar Pradesh? Do you know? The main language of Uttar Pradesh is Hindi. So, this is Uttar Pradesh. A very distinguished, a number of distinguished people live there in Uttar Pradesh. This state had played a major role, a vital role in the first war of independence against the British government. And so many things we have to learn. You will learn it better in detailed form when you will become students of college or university. So, next one, another one, that is Uttaranchal. I am writing another U. Uttaranchal. Uttaranchal. What is Uttaranchal, my dear students? It is also a state, Uttaranchal. What is the capital of Uttaranchal? Do you know? The capital of Uttaranchal is Dehradun. Dehradun is the capital of Uttaranchal. And what is the main language the people speak? The main language of Uttaranchal the people speak is Hindi. Hindi is their main language. Hindi is their main language. The language of Uttaranchal. And next one, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Why did I write? So many Indian states are there. But I am writing about the states, some selected states' name. Why? Because the states which are of importance, like that, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is situated in the border of China and India. And Arunachal Pradesh, the people of Arunachal Pradesh, like that Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, these are the border states of India, and in between Pakistan, India, China and India. And they are safe, their body appearance, their face cutting like the Chinese people. Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, maximum people look like the people of China. Anyway, but still it is a part of our country, Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar, and its main languages the people speak is there are some three languages the people of Arunachal Pradesh generally speak. The language is Manga, Kadi and Nishi. These are the three languages the people of Arunachal Pradesh speak. Manga, Kadi and Nishi. These are the three languages the people of Arunachal Pradesh generally speak. And another one, that is Goa. I am writing another one, Goa. Another state, Goa. What is the importance of this state Goa? Do you know? Goa, once upon a time, occupied by the Portuguese. After a long occupation under the Portuguese soldiers, Goa was released. Goa was released, but the people of India had to struggle for it. Ultimately, India became free country, but still Portuguese were there. Why? Because they occupied Goa, and but they never said that they would not leave Goa. Okay, let us live here some few years more. Then at last we shall go back to our place, Portugal, because they said we are Portuguese. Once upon a time came to India and occupied the state. So we had sympathy, love and respect for that place, Goa. So let us live there for a few years more. That's why the people of India, they did not resist, but ultimately the Portuguese left Goa. This is the importance of Goa, my dear students. This is the importance of Goa. Now Goa, what is the capital of Goa? The capital of Goa is Panaji. The capital of Goa is Panaji. The capital of Goa is Panaji. What is the capital of Goa? The capital of Goa is Panaji. And what is their main language? Their main language is Konkoni. Konkoni is their main language. The people of Goa speak Konkoni. And next one, Mizoram. Mizoram. What is the capital of Mizoram? The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. What is the language usually the people of Mizoram they speak? Mizo and English. There are two languages the people of Mizoram speak. Mizo and English. These are the two languages they usually speak. And next one, some selected states name I am writing, my dear students. Some selected states name. And next one, Haryana, Punjab. Haryana and Punjab. Haryana and Punjab. These are the two states, Haryana and Punjab. Haryana, the Haryana means Haryana. This state's language, main language, the people of Haryana, the people of Haryana speak. What is the language? The people of Haryana speak in Hindi, but its capital is Punjab. Chandigarh. And the people of Punjab, what is the capital of Punjab? The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh also. Chandigarh. So Chandigarh is the capital of both the two states, Haryana and Punjab, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of both the two states, Haryana and Punjab. But the basic difference between the two states is the language. The people of Haryana speak Hindi and the people of Punjab speak Punjabi. But their capital is the same. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh, the capital of Punjab is also Chandigarh. But the people of Punjab speak Punjabi, the people of Haryana speak Hindi. And next one, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, my dear students? The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Bhopal is their capital, and their main language the people speak. The main language the people of Madhya Pradesh speak is Hindi. Hindi is their main language, my dear students. And another one, Karnataka. 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 What is the capital of Karnataka, my dear students? The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Bangalore. What is the capital of Karnataka? Bangalore. And what is the main language the people of Karnataka speak? Their main language they speak Kannada. Kannada is their main language. The people of Karnataka they speak. Kannada is their main language. The people of Karnataka speak. And what is the capital of Kerala, my dear students? What is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. And what is the main language the people of Kerala speak? The language the people of Kerala speak is Malayalam. Malayalam is their language the people of Kerala speak. Their capital is Thiruvananthapuram. And another one that is also is very important state of our country, that is Gujarat. 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 What is the capital of Gujarat, my dear students? The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. And what is the language the people of Gujarat speak? The language the people of Gujarat speak is Gujarati. Gujarati is their language. And next one, Andhra Pradesh. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad, and their main languages the people of Andhra Pradesh speak. These two languages they speak, Telugu and Urdu. The two languages the people of Hyderabad or the people of Andhra Pradesh they speak. The two languages are Telugu and Urdu. These are the two languages. And now I shall teach you about some short names by which name the people of India, the distinguished people of India is known for. Now on Netaji, who is known as Netaji? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is known as Netaji. And next one, who is known as Bapuji? Mahatma Gandhi is known as Bapuji. Who is known as Chacha? Jawaharlal Nehru is known as Chacha. Who is known as Indian Nightingale? Sarojini Naidu is known as Indian Nightingale. And who is known as Man of Peace? Man of Peace. Lal Bahadur Shastri is known as Man of Peace. Now who is Lal Bahadur Shastri? You know, the Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri. And who is Sarojini Naidu? You know, the first woman president of Indian National Congress. She was Sarojini Naidu, and who was her daughter? Her daughter also a famous woman. She completed her graduation, master's degree from Oxford University, and became a famous educationist. Came to India and later on became the woman governor of West Bengal. Who was she? She was Padmaja Naidu, became the governor of West Bengal. And the time when Bidhan Chandra Roy had become the Chief Minister of India, that time Padmaja Naidu became the governor of West Bengal, my dear students. So up to this next day, the lesson from book I shall teach you. Thank you.